everyone, welcome back to our channel, and we are doing this series of preparation for Sales Cloud Consultant certification. And as you might be aware that in our earlier video we have completed this module, that is sales performance strategies, and we have talked about incentives and goals in that module. And in this video we will be covering Sales Cloud rollout strategy. In this we will be talking about that how we can create a successful Sales Cloud implementation. So let's get started. It is a very short module consisting of only 2 units having quiz. So let's start with the first module, that is create an effective business strategy with Sales Cloud. So in this we are talking about first of all team. So what are the key players? Executive sponsors, operations manager, end user and admin. So what roles they play? Executive sponsors prioritizes and improves how our team spend time and on Sales Cloud. Operation manager ensures that who knows the most about day-to-day sales processes, and user is the one who has time to test the implementation and give feedback. Admin is the one who makes changes in the Sales Cloud and manages the implementation. Then we will talk about goals. What are the goals and how we can establish them? So if we talk about our user, suppose we have goals such as establish a single place where sales teams can get insights into their deals in real time. So what metric we can use? We can check by the number of deals closed to date versus the goals. Even if you see that we can measure the benefits as well, we can check if the member can check how they're tracking toward their goals in real time. And if we are having a goal to understand rate of interest based on where the sales team's leads originate, then we can check total pipeline amount by lead source by location, and we can understanding where they are performing above or below their goals, so they can prioritize rep focus. That's how we can measure the benefits. Even that's how we can get feedback as well on the performance, like okay, that's where the performance is lacking and we can improve that, and have the rep focus increased over there. So let's come to the quiz. First question is, what's a good strategy for keeping your end user engaged throughout your Sales Cloud implementation? First option is, tell them about Sales Cloud on the same day they are expected to start using it. No. Second is, continue to ask for feedback from your team throughout the implementation. Yes. Third is, implement Sales Cloud before considering how end user can benefit from it. No, we should always consider how the end users will be getting benefit from it. Fourth is, communicate feature of Sales Cloud in very technical terms. That's also not a very good idea because they might not understand all the technical terms. Second question is, what's the key priority as you are mapping your business goals and metrics to your Sales Cloud implementation? First is to redefine your entire sales process to fit what comes with Sales Cloud out of the box. No. Second is to create goals and metrics that are always changing. Okay. Third is to implement Sales Cloud as quickly as possible before considering your goals. No. Fourth is to create business goals and metrics that steer your Sales Cloud implementation, not the other way around. So D should be the correct option. Let's check. And it's correct. Let's move on to the next unit, that is chart your course for implementation. So it's just like all other orgs, just a few tweaks. So you can see in the image they are showing app launcher, the global search where we can search for everything, and then the list of object menu. And if we are talking about all tools and resources, then for do it yourself we have Trailhead community, help portal, and we can use expert coaching and success events as well if we want to get learn one to one. Then if we talk about milestones, how we can set, there are some basic milestones which we'll be talking about. Does add all of our relevant users, configure Sales Cloud to fit your business, import your data, enable features that can make your team more productive, and train your users. Okay, so let's come to the quiz. First question is, what are to do it yourself resources that can help guide you as you set up and use Sales Cloud? So Trailblazer community. Second is, which of the following is a key milestone for your Sales Cloud implementation? A is train your users, B import your data, C is change your sales process. So A and B is correct option. Let's check, and it's correct. So we have completed this module, and in our next video we will be targeting leads and opportunities. And I guess I don't have any video on that, so don't worry, I'll be targeting this module in our next video. I'll be redoing all the quizzes or say challenges, so that we can have it for your help. And let me know in the comment section if you have any doubt. Please like the video, subscribe the channel. Thank you, stay tuned.